Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Magical Math Morning Sessions with your Ram sir. If you could do the multiplication of any number with 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, etc., or any number ending with 5 in just 2 seconds, can we do the division of the same also in less than 2 seconds? Yes, it's easily possible, and today we are going to learn that one. So, we are going to learn to divide any number by 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, etc. Or also, the same can be extended to divide by any number ending with 5, like 45, 75, 95 kind of things. And to be in the beginning side, I'm going to restrict the numbers to 2 and 3 digits because most of the circumstances will get within 2 to 3 digits. So the same you try to extend it to the next level also. And the concept what I'm going to tell is like this. Suppose what we did when we want to multiply by 1.5, we just doubled 1.5 to 3 and then we made half of the remaining number so that the overall multiplications value, that is the product, remained the same. But in this case, let us see there is a slight variation. Suppose we'll take a simple number like 24, you want to divide by 1.5. What we do, dividing by 1.5 is a difficult thing. Some people do it in the way that 240 divided by 15, but this is little lengthy. This method I don't recommend. What we do, instead of this, just double 1.5. What will you get? 1.5 will become 3. And if this is doubled, for keeping the division same, this also has to be doubled, correct? 48. 48 divided by 3 is how much? 60. Simple. That means, suppose you have any number like 5 by 10 and you multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, it will be 10 by 20, or 5 6 are 30 means 10 6 are 60 you should have, correct? No, so we are doing whatever we are multiplying this number with the same number we are multiplying. In this case, simple doubling, because doubling concept we are all experts already, correct? No, doubling and halving is the easiest way that we do. Let's take little simple more example, one more. 27 divided by 4.5 we want. How we rewrite this? 4.5 double D is 9, 27 double D is 54. So instead of doing this, we'll do 54 by 9, that is 6. Correct, 9 6 are 54. Yes. Let's take little bigger number. Suppose you want to do 440 divided by 5.5. Correct? 440 divided by 5.5. 5.5 double D is 11. So 440 double D is 880. 880 divided by 11 is nothing but what? How much? 11 eights are, that's it. 80 is the answer. This can be applicable to the numbers. Yes, you're all very fast because yesterday's technique you people have practiced, I think. That's why you're able to do these things also very easily. Suppose the same thing we got it like 440 divided by 55. Instead of doing the random way, like normally what we do, 440 divided by 55 means 11 5s are 11 40s are 5 1s are 5 8s are. What I do, instead of doing all these things, just I double this, it will become 110, this will become 880. Approximately how much it is? 8. Directly we get. Correct? No? That means it's not only 0.5, even if the number is ending with 5, like 35, 45, 55, 75, whatever is the number, we can apply this technique. And suppose the number is given like, instead of 0.5, it is given like this: 26 divided by 6 and half. It is the same. Correct? No, 6 and half is nothing but 6.5. So what we do? Half doubled is 1. Correct? No, 6 and half, when you double, what do you get? It will become 13. 26 doubled will get 52. 13 fours are 52. Can we do like this? Yes. Now let's try some numbers. Okay. Be ready with your chart option. And already you people are giving the answer in the chat. Let's try who will do these things fast. Simple numbers, let's start. 340 divided by 8.5. Try this. 340 divided by 8.5. Double both, then it will become easiest. In mind itself, you can think. That's it. Very good. Because 8.5 double is 17. 340 double is 680. 17 fours are 68. That means what? 1 0 we are going to add that 640. Perfect. Everyone has given the correct answer today. This is really encouraging to me also because you are all practicing and you are able to understand this technique. Let's take 375 divided by 7.5. 375 divided by 7.5. Three 75 divided by 7.5. It's not 45. Yes, 50 is the right answer. 375 doubled. When you want to do such things, what we do? 350 doubled is 700. 25 doubled is 50. So it becomes 750 divided by 15. 15 fives are 70. Thank you. Thank you for the comments. Correct. It is 50 actually. I think someone has made mistake while typing. This is the easier one. Correct. Let's try this one. Sorry. 225 divided by 2.5. Easier one I want to do. Without using pen and paper, you should be able to tell this. Very fast. 225 divided by 2.5. Yes. 450 we'll get here and 5 we'll get. 9 5s are 45. Therefore, 9 followed by 0. That's it. 90. Correct? Yes, most of you are right. It is 90 because 225 doubled is 450. 2.5 doubled is 5. 5 nines are 45 means 90. Let's do this. 28 and half divided by 9 and half. Both are having decimals 0.5, 0.5 or fractions. 28 and half divided by 9 and half. Already I should have got the answer. Actually, these are small numbers. Yes. Correct. 28 and half doubled is 57. 9 and half doubled is 19. The moment you see 57 and 19 in your mind, 19 threes are 57. Correct. I think when we are having in the fractions, there is nothing to think complicated because fractions also either it is 0.5 or it is 1 by 2, both are same. Half means doubling means you are going to get 1. 28 double is 56 and 1 you will take 57. 9 and half, all the numbers in the single and double digit numbers with 0.5 you should be able to double like this. 9 and half means 9 is 18 and 1 19. 19 threes are 57. Let's do one more thing with the fractions like this before proceeding to the little bigger number. Suppose I'm giving you 24 and half. Simple one I will give you. How quickly you are going to do? This one you tell me. Divide by 3 and half. Already answer is ready in the mind. 24 and half. Doubled. Very fast. Yes. This is correct. Perfect. 24 and half, 49. 3 and half, 7. 7 sevens are 49. Yes, all of you had got this one very quickly. Now, let us extend the same thing for the numbers containing 5 at the end. There was one more technique I have taught you, and this technique is also easily applicable for that one. Whenever we are doing the division with 25, 35, 45 and all numbers. We have already learned one method. And let's try this one also. Suppose I want to do 180 divided by 45. What I'll do, I'll just take the double of this. It will become 360 divided by 90. Because doubling is easy for us, correct? No? Now 360 divided by 90 is how much? 4. Correct? 9 fours are 36. 0, 0 cancel. Just 4. The same method shall we do? 450 divided by 75, let's take. Always you take 75 double D is 150, 450 double D is 900. So 15 6 are 90, 0, 0 cancel. So what is the answer? 6. Is this method is easy? Definitely yes. Shall we try some 2 or 3 problems like this also? Yes. It is 6. See, zeros, there is a chances of that we may commit mistake in counting of the zeros. Here, whenever there is no zero in both the numbers, we will cancel. Correct? Yes. We'll take this. Today, I think all of you are highly energetic. Very good. 210 divided by 35. Please try this. 210 divided by 35. While typing, if somebody does mistake, don't worry. This happens once in a while. That's acceptable. Right? No? You need not worry and go and delete the message, because you're all learning the new techniques. Whenever we are learning the new things, sometimes we'll do mistake. Correct? Once in a while, it's acceptable. That's it. 6 is the right answer. 420 divided by 70, it will come. Correct? No, 42. 6. 7 6 are 42. Very good. Let's take this 195 divided by 65. 195 divided by 65. 195 divided by 65. Try this. Doubling concept, I said no. In one session, we practiced the doubling of numbers. Yes. We should practice those basics. Like whenever Virat Kohli or someone, presently we can take Shubman Gill, whoever is missing on his form, what does he do? He will go and do the practice the basics. This is what the basics we practice. We practice the session of learning, mastering the tables up to 100, and also we practice the concept of addition and subtraction. Means we'll go for the 10-point circle and 9-point circle, find the complements, and multiplication and division means we'll go with the doubling concept and halving concept. Doubling and halving is going to improve. Yes, 390 divided by 130. Correct? No? 13 threes are 39. Let's take this 255 divided by 85. 255 divided by 85. Yes, 17 threes are 51. That's it, correct? Perfect. This comes 510. This comes 170. 17 threes are 51. Let's try this one. 38.5. I will take a decimal number also. And decimal numbers divided by normal number also we can use it. 38.5 divided by 55. 38.5 divided by 55. This took little time, correct? Because this is coming 38.5 comes 77 divided by 55 double gets 110. It will come 7 by 10. This is one step that we have to think little extra. It's not 7, you will get 0.7. Many of you have written it as 7, it is 0.7 because this is numerator is smaller. Correct? In such cases, still it's going to be much easier for us compared to other numbers. Correct? 77 divided by 10, it is 11 sevens are 11 tens are. 7 by 10 means division by 10, 100,000 we have already learned. It's very simple. Just put the decimal point. Isn't it fun of dividing any number with 1.5, 2.5, 3.5? Is it applicable in all the cases? But many cases we can use this. Whenever it is having an even number and odd numbers also ending with 5 means we can easily apply this. In some cases it may be difficult, but those methods we'll do with the earlier method what we thought. This is an easier one. Hope you all enjoyed this. Keep practicing and keep mesmerizing your friends and colleagues with these techniques, and also your students. If some of you are the teachers in this, please teach these techniques to your students so that they will start enjoying maths. Ultimately, what is your goal? Everyone should be able to say, including us and our followers should be able to say, maths mein maja hai. Correct? You have the maja, and let's meet tomorrow morning with one more fantastic trick. Thank you for the session.